The year after our baby died, our stress levels were off the chart. Our emotions were fragile, our fuses were short. I remember one afternoon we had just had an argument in the kitchen and we left the kitchen with this wall of ice between us. I didn't agree with you and you did not agree with me.
It was one of those times when the more I talked, the quieter you got. I powered up, you shut down. It was like a crazy spin cycle going nowhere fast. So we reached out and sought wise counsel, and that made all the difference. We gained good tools that have served us well ever since. I'm John Vredevelt, pastor of Radiant Church in Gresham.
And I'm Pam Vredevelt, professional counselor, and together we've created the Couples Transformation Workshop. We call it Conflict Without Casualties. Now maybe you're in a place like we were, where you just need some tools to break negative cycles. Or maybe you want just a fresh boost to your relationship, kind of a tune-up that enables you to work smarter and not harder in resolving problems.
I want to give you a quick idea of what's going to happen in this couples workshop. We'll equip you with skills in 3 areas. Skills to overcome the roadblocks to feeling heard by each other. Skills to identify what communication patterns aren't working for you, and a safe place to practice new patterns that do work. Skills to identify your needs and deliver them with an approach that leads to win-win solutions.
So if you're ready to stop investing months, years of your life in negative patterns that take a toll on your confidence, on your relationship, and really on your overall quality of health, click the link below to learn more about the Couples Transformation Workshop. You're going to have our support and the support of other growth-minded couples who are committed to helping you succeed. We look forward to standing by you as you learn and grow with these skills.
Space is limited to 30 couples and registration is open now. Click the link below to find out more. We look forward to seeing you soon.
You take good care.